If you don't own a rice cooker, this is your sign to get one because you can cook all this.
What?
Ooh, it's burnt. Oh my god, we have a spirit. Dun dun dun.
Don't forget to thumb this video.
This recipe couldn't be easier. Just set and forget.
Add 4 very ripe bananas and mash. Next, add 2 eggs, olive oil, milk, whisk well, then add a pinch of salt, ground cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, plain flour, wholemeal flour, and rolled oats. Mix until just combined. Get your rice cooker bowl, spray with oil, pour in your batter, sprinkle with more oats, in she goes. 1 normal cycle on the normal rice function.
Ooh.
Super moist, sugar-free banana bread straight from your rice cooker. How good?
Welcome back to my kitchen.
Today we are using my trusty rice cooker.
Rice cooker recipes. Is this part 3?
We've definitely done 1 episode, that's for sure. You guys can go back and binge watch the other ones. Rice cooker recipes, like, they never disappoint.
Yeah.
It's a set and forget kind of thing. So if you're lazy, like us, this is for you. back this way. Well, that was my workout for the day. Can I just show you how many bananas we have in this household right now? Is this like, what? Because I had 1 and that was enough, but then I was like, oh, maybe I'll buy more. And I thought that when you put a ripe banana with like the unripe bananas, it will get riped, but it didn't work. So then Zen went out and bought more bananas. So we're going crazy with bananas. The spottier, the better when it comes to banana bread.
It looks like it's gonna die.
Yeah.
The better.
Okay, you need 4 bananas for this.
Breakfast. This is breakfast. Yeah.
And then you just mash it. Desmond's awake. I better hurry. He loves bananas, so he's gonna be like, Nana, banana. Okay, with magic of editing, this is gonna be all smushed. Ta-da! All right, nice and blended. Next, we're gonna add in eggs. The other day, I was making banana bread because we had, again, very ripe bananas. I was cracking in the eggs, right? And then the last one I cracked in, it was a rotten egg. And
Ew.
it was black, it was brown, and the whole house smelled.
Ew, I thought you were gonna say it's a double yolk or something.
No, I wish. You say hello, hello. Okay, Zen, you gotta crack it. I'm on mum duty.
Should I do one hand? No.
Please don't be rotten. Now I'm scarred, I'm scarred.
Never had a rotten egg.
I know, I've never cracked a rotten egg into the mixture, so there was no saving it. Milk, we're doing 60 mils. And then oil, 120 mils. Why do I feel like it's this whole bottle?
Nah, that's so much. Oh wait, it is a lot. Why is the banana bread gotta be so oily?
Banana bread does have a lot of like oil
Calories,
and butter.
right?
And, yeah, it's dense in calories, yeah. And we're making a big one with our rice cooker. Dude, this is so much oil.
Oh, it might be the whole thing.
No, we have more.
It looks like a wine bottle.
We'll shot it with some lemon juice.
Oh,
Nice.
I broke it. I'll have to open now. Oh no.
Why did this only happen to us? I got
it.
Mum teeth. You break anything with these.
Are you sure it comes out?
Why is opening a bottle of olive oil so hard? Oh, because there's this seal. Okay, we need to like actually pull that seal off.
How?
Clearly, we don't pop champagne very often here.
Okay, got it.
Okay, got it.
120?
Here you go, here you go.
Here.
Tap! Cheers, everybody.
Ooh.
Mix, 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 mix. Then we're gonna add in the dry ingredients. I'm gonna add in baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. And then we'll add in flour. He used wholemeal mixed with all-purpose, but I only have all-purpose. So we're doing 230 grams of this.
Ooh.
That would be fun if you dropped it.
Yeah, I feel like...
Yeah, that's good. 50 grams of oats. I feel like I need a new scale, guys. Can someone sponsor me a new scale?
It's so delayed.
Yes.
Yes. Get a whisker?
Yeah, we'll just use this fork. Mix it up.
Do you use your hands?
No.
Okay.
Do not use your
Oh, okay. I don't know. It looks like you would,
Clearly, we're not bakers, right?
you know, like...
You just gotta give it some more love. Gotta put some power into your mixing. Okay.
Is this supposed to be chunky?
I think so. Should we add some like choc chips and stuff
Oh.
to it? Are we deviating from this? Should we? Should we? Should we?
Maybe we'll sprinkle on half.
But it would be nice if you broke into
Yeah.
it and then... Optional. Optional.
Yeah!
Choc
Oh,
chips.
yeah.
Okay, just a couple, not that many. Okay, cool. Now we spray. We get dish. You move over. You're up. Spray, spray, spray. I want to be able to pop this bread out.
I feel like rice cooker is...
It's already kind of like non-stick, right?
Yeah. I don't know.
I don't know. Okay, pour this in. You ready? Dump it in.
Oh, I'm excited now. Like, it smells good. It smells like
banana
banana bread. Oh, it looks dense.
It's so dense. I hope it gets fluffy or something. Sprinkle on some more oats. Then pop it on a rice cooker cycle. I'm just gonna put it how I normally cook my rice. I don't know.
Cuckoo, can you sponsor us?
Cuckoo, please. Sponsor us.
Non-pressure white rice.
Okay, non-pressure white rice. 37 minutes.
Okay.
We'll be right back. Okay.
Contact service center for service inquiry.
What?
Did the banana bread just break your rice cooker?
It said please contact.
Should I open it?
What? Like what? Oh my gosh. Here she is. Okay, we let it rest for about 10 minutes. I'm hoping that we can just like flip it and then we've got banana bread, right? Ready?
Yep.
Oh!
Oh, I saw it. I saw it drop out already. Ooh, it's burnt. Maybe that's why the cuckoo was like...
Contact support now because you need help.
Oh, it doesn't feel burned though. Like, it feels like...
It's okay. It's
Maybe
okay.
flip it to the pretty side.
Okay,
See
guys,
if
like at first glance you might think it's a chocolate cake, but it's not.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Banana cake.
Better.
Banana bread.
How do we cut this bread? Why do I feel like I should cut it like a pizza or something?
Like a birthday cake.
Should I just cut it in half and then we'll see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh. It feels moist.
It's fluffy.
It feels moist.
It's fluffy.
Okay, you can go.
Hot.
Kind of feels like a sourdough bread, like.
Okay. Cutting it. Let's try. It's your breakfast. It's breakfast, guys.
Ooh.
Ooh, you got some chocolate.
Okay, you want this one?
No, it's fine. It's just so steamy. It's moist.
Look at my chocolate bit.
Okay. Cheers. Not bad.
It's moist.
It's moist, that's for sure, but I feel like
Is it undercooked? I can't tell.
it's not undercooked. It's just like it's different. It's kind of like a steamed bread. You know what I mean? Like it's like,
It's not super dense, like, you know, when you bake it.
and because we didn't add like extra sugar, it's not that sweet, to be honest. Perfect for my kids, actually. Surprisingly, it's fluffy still.
I was expecting it to be bad, but
Yeah,
It's
like
good, actually.
It actually over delivered for our expectations.
try the
right?
chocolate bit. I feel like it's better with the chocolate. Better. Like, it's more...
Better with chocolate for sure.
Maybe you need the chocolate.
I wish our bananas were more like ripe, then you can get that extra sweetness. But I mean, it's not bad for like a sugar-free cake, right? Cake, bread.
Yeah, it feels more like a cake than a bread,
Yeah,
actually.
it's actually not bad. Like I think this is actually easier than baking it in the oven.
Just make sure your rice cooker doesn't...
Malfunction on
Yeah.
you. What? Actually, I'm gonna give this like a
gonna give double.
I'm gonna give 1.5.
I'm gonna give double.
I'm gonna tweak the recipe a little bit, but like the actual mechanics of making bread in a rice cooker,
Pretty good.
very easy. So we should try this with like other
More chocolate chips.
more chocolate chips, riper bananas, vanilla extract.
Oh, yeah.
Vanilla extract. Add vanilla extract to add a little bit more flavor. That's what it's missing.
But it's good.
Pretty good. Can't complain there.
Before we move on with the next recipe, I want to give a quick shout out to today's sponsor, Foreo. Can you believe I paid $2,500 for this LED mask back in the day? And this is what I use now. Beauty tech has come a long way. The FAQ 202 is a super flexible LED mask that's FDA approved. If you want to check out the FAQ 202 or other Foreo favorites, use my code to get 30% off, 30 Yong. You can even use it on sale items. You're welcome. Now back to the video. If you're too lazy to cook a full-blown meal, watch this.
I'm gonna show you how to make all of this in a rice cooker. Beef pepper lunch. Okay, so I know pepper lunch is typically done on a hot skillet, but I couldn't help but try it out on a rice cooker. And y'all know I'm a dog for rice cooker recipes. Just like every recipe I've put out in this rice cooker series, it's all done in one pot. So just marinate some thinly sliced beef with the ingredients on the screen and assemble in the rice cooker. Start with the bed of rice, then onions, corn, the beef, more corn, scallions, lots of pepper, and 2 slices of butter for health. Cook it on the regular quick rice setting and enjoy.
Next up is beef pepper lunch. I haven't had pepper lunch in
Same.
like years.
I've never had it. And I'm from Singapore.
I used to eat it all the time, but that was like in my 20s. I've got my rice, I've already rinsed it, add in the water. Water. Better. No, is that too much? That's too much. Move you in. Got our beef slices. Now we season the beef. She pops in soy sauce. Does that look like a lot of soy sauce? Water. Then I'm gonna add in mirin, sugar, grated garlic and ginger, oyster sauce, season with pepper. Now we mix. Stood far away from this.
Oh, I feel like you gotta dissect the layers.
I should have like put it in a bigger bowl, but it's too late. We're committed. I'm using my left hand too,
I know.
so it's just amazing.
Should we just take another glove?
No, this hand has to be useless. It's the way that we cook.
That's true. But I can have one hand.
No, I think it's good. I think it's good.
Yeah.
When I put it in, I'll like. See, this is why I need the other hand. With your other hand, sprinkle in some diced onions, some corn kernels, and then the beef. Make sure it's all like dipped and coated. Dump that all in. A bit more corn. 2 pieces of butter. Ooh, it actually looks good. Pepper lunch, but in a rice cooker. Let's go.
Whoa.
Actually looks so good.
It looks good.
Just mix it all up.
Yeah.
Oh, the bottom's got some color.
Oh, you know what would be good with this? An egg.
I think you gotta put a little bit less water because the onion has liquid.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Don't be a rookie like us. Add a little bit less. This is definitely sogs. Our rice is a bit mushy, guys. How do we save it? Okay, learn from us. Add a little bit less. Add less.
Less water if you're gonna add like the soy sauce and
Yeah,
whatever, right?
all the other ingredients, it adds to it. Actually, it doesn't look that bad now. Let's try it. Did we season it well? I think the flavor's there. The meat is quite like melt in your mouth. Corn's nice. Just wish our rice was less.
The sogs.
Sogs. But we know. Now you know. But the flavor's there and it's actually really easy to cook. It's like a whole hearty meal just in one pot. If we didn't stuff up the rice, it'd be a double thumbs up. So if you do this right, I think you'll like it. I want to hit it with a bit of chili flakes and stuff and make it like spicy, but actually really good. And I think you can custom make the seasoning. Like if you want some spice, try this one. Okay, ribs, but made in a rice cooker? No. I have high hopes for this rib dish because it actually looks so good when it falls off the bone.
It looks seasoned
It looks
as well.
flavorful. Okay, so you need some pineapples, 300 grams. Then we've got our spare ribs. In goes seasoning, we've got soy sauce.
The
And then
sauce.
oyster sauce. Yeah, the star anise. And then spring onions.
Ooh.
Desmond's back. Okay, and then we just mix.
That's the mic.
That's the mic, Desmond.
Whoa.
Oops, forgot to add the wine in. Mix.
Cook for 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Yay! Now we want you to say hello. Ours looks a bit bland. Oops, sorry, I just stepped on your toes. Okay, maybe it just needs a bit of a mix, you know?
The bottom one has
The
more
bottom
color.
one has color.
Are you cooking water?
No.
What's wrong with it?
Why did the
It's because
kettle...
it's so dry?
I don't know. It just turned itself on the kettle, but there was no water in it. Dun dun dun! Oh my god, we have a spirit. Something. Kitchen spirit.
Thirsty spirit.
The spirit saw our ribs. Actually, that looks good now when I mixed it.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah? Do you think it falls off the bone?
We shall see.
I'm gonna see if it falls off the bone first.
Try. Yep.
I mean, it fell off. No, not as tender. Okay, let's garnish. Give it a bit of a garnish. Actually, looks delicious now. But will it taste good?
I feel like it's gonna be really hot though. Okay.
I feel like we need to show the camera a nice piece. Like, cheers. It's
Cheers.
hot, don't burn your tongue. Not bad.
There's flavor.
Actually, it's quite tender. It's like, not like his one, but like, I feel like because it's got a good ratio of like fat and like the lean part, Not bad. I think
It kind of needs more
it
seasoning.
needs dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce will give it a little bit more flavor and color as well.
It's quite mild, like.
It's not like super salty seasoned.
My toe again.
If you have a bite of the ribs with the pineapple, I think you get a good balance. Like you get a good hit of flavor. If I were to make this again, I would increase the seasoning. You know what? It's because we used the low sodium
that
soy
why?
sauce too, I think. Because I only had the low sodium one.
I kind of want it to be a little bit more sinful. Now it feels kind of like.
You know what it needs? It needs a little bit of like that like stickiness, you know, like a sticky rib. In his
Like they glaze, right?
yeah, in the video it looked like a sticky rib. So ours is not that, but it's still pretty good. I'm gonna give this like 1.5. In the future, like I said, I think I'd add like dark soy sauce to give it that the
Stickiness.
color as well. And yeah, but it's solid. It's solid. I don't think you can tell that you made it in a rice cooker. I think that's the craziest part. Like this was made in a rice cooker.
If you want to, you can even put rice at the bottom and then soak up the flavor.
Oh, I don't know.
Like a full dish?
No, I don't
No?
know. No, don't do it with rice because then like because at the end we had to mix it, right? The rice would be sogs, but actually decent. It was decent. And that's it to this video. If you guys want to see other episodes where we cook with a rice cooker, they're here somewhere on screen. Subscribe if you're new here to both our channels. Zen's channel's growing, by the way.
I just have to post more.
She just has to actually post now. Da-dum-da-dum-dum-dum. Am I too old? Do you guys know that song?
It's from Pitch Perfect.
No, what's that song? It's like that thong, 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 thong.
I know, but I know.
But you know from Pitch Perfect?
Perfect, the movie.
Dude, I'm old. Comment below, do you know? Don't forget to thumb this video. We'll speak to you guys next time. Bye!